Welcome back, YouTube. And today, my people, we're going on a mall tour of Yorkdale Mall. Alright, my people, so stay tuned on the journey. And again, thanks everybody who've been liking, sharing, subscribing to the channel, and all of the good up stuff them. Alright, respect on a lot, my people, because you guys never had to do it. You know this now. But you guys still show up and pop out and show me some love. So today, this one is gonna call, this is one of Toronto's biggest mall, you know, my people. So Yorkdale Mall, I'm giving a Jamaican man lifestyle tour. And people, I know this video now I get that much views, but I have to do it for the people. At the end of the day, you know, my people at the end of the day, you know, cause nobody now going to videos like these, you know, my people. So I'm going to a good quick mall tour so you can see Yorkdale Mall. And people, again, I do these mall tour videos for people who are overseas, for people in Canada will move out of Toronto and they here no more, and they want to just see how it is and stuff like that. You understand? A long time some people don't really see how the mall life is, you know, and how it looks, you see it. So that's why I make this type of video, the mall tour. So if you can please support them and give them some more views and some likes when I drop these type of content, please do so. You understand? Big respect to them if you can do so. You understand? And big up to everybody who's been sharing, been liking, and been subscribing. Because people, we need to subscribe to them more up now, my people. Be honest with you know. More reach about 10,000 by next week. I joke my people, we don't have them type of power, them type of strength there, right? But right now, people, you go walk and show you how the mall is in Toronto and that. Everybody not stop praying, them people. So right now, people, the food court is up there. Wait a second. What happened? So now, my people, the food court is up there, but we're going to walk around first and then show you that. So right now, people, you have Mac. You have Crate Bar or whatever, Uggs. You have a lot. This place have the most, I think one of the biggest right now in Toronto. Thought it was the eating center, but them renovate the place, yeah. Them add couple more stores and stuff. Them have Body Works. Them have the Body Shop. Them have all of the big name type of brands in this mall. Alright, so it's like a mall like you have everything here. What you know, say, if you want to just come here and people, so back in the days, when me just come a foreign, when me just move here from Jamaica, I remember, you know, we are youth, you know, so we are school done, we don't really have nothing to do when we just come here, you know. And we don't have to learn about the place. Right? So you know what I do every day? Every single day. When school done or all up on the weekend, my people, I just go to the mall. I take the train and I go to the mall almost every day at my bridging. Because I used to have a place out there, so I go on a different part too. Which part we used to go buy with cheap food and place in a main shop. One Jamaican restaurant, but he used to sell food for $2.50 on a Tuesday or $3 on a Tuesday. So every single Tuesday, we're at this mall. Walk in the mall. You don't know we are youth, we just come from Jamaica, you know, you see it. So we always, they at the mall, them a look girl. No matter what, you see it. So always, the outside, I look girl. No joke, but I must say one girl me get them time there, you know. Because when you come to the mall, your swag have to be on point. You have to look good. You understand? You can't come at the mall and your thing no up. You see it? No joke. You have all Hudson Bay right here, so Hudson Bay. Them have everything in there so you need. Always have the security them. Right down there, so the west part. Only shoppers down there, so. Right now, them have the big Area Rose in. Them sell like the Canadian Goose out in there. Them sell a lot of brand name stuff in there, so. I know some you buy my goose one time. Right? Mango. Or whatever they want to call it. Yeah, people. So this mall is a quite fairly big mall. Yeah man, no joke to it. I say this part is an extra piece of them add on. No, another piece of next side around this. So I'll go down there still, people. Still I go show you all what I can show you today in this vlog video. Because I don't know it's a mall tour. It's your boy 416876. So for all of the new subscribers them who don't know you know. And that. So just subscribe, like, share, and make the channel work. Alright, we can go down the side here now. So now okay, I never been on this side. Yeah, I've been on this side before. Okay, let's walk it out. People may not really come at the mall a lot because it's in the west side. So we're just trying to see what go on, you know? You see, so them have every store, my people. I don't know how today's a pack. Today's a Sunday. And it's really packed up, my people. Like it's super packed today, right? You have to watch out, you know, my people. Because be a mad people come at the mall last week. There was a big shooting in at the mall. You can't believe that? In the mall, you know. Because people, the young kids them these days, bro, they not listen and they not learn. This place, I think I went in this place before and gave a tour of it, but I never gave a full tour. But when you can come and check out this place is very nice. It's very elegant. Yeah, it's a very nice restaurant, my people. This is where you can bring your spouse, a girl who you try to cheat with, or the girl that try to cheat with her man, and them know want if you find out or this or that. Yeah man, you can come out them. You can come right in this, and the mall, because the mall is informal, because everybody come at the mall, people. So this is the next entrance. I always come at this entrance, I believe so. But yeah, you can check it out. There's a cafe also over there. But we're gonna walk through Sporting Life. Oh, clearance, 50 to 60% off on jackets. Let's figure that out. See what I go on. That's a lot of money off the jackets though. But still can't afford them jackets anymore, people. Let me see if I can show you guys the prices for these type of jackets though. But them flimsy. Be a flimsy thing. The last time I buy my goose jacket, I buy it still. I'm telling you about $700 I buy a goose jacket for animal people. No joke. But this place is called Sporting Life. They sell a lot more sportwear and stuff like that, and jackets and more track suits and workout stuff. You see, be a jackets and stuff in this part still. They have shoes and stuff like that. See, most of them have a mall like this in Jamaica. See, like all uptown, which part of them have Pavilion Mall. I feel say them need for lick down Pavilion. Yeah man. A time for Pavilion for go now, man. Them need a staple mall in Jamaica. Them need a mall where say bam. I think them not try to build one in Mobile or no, them gonna try to build one in St. Thomas. The new youth center, right? Yeah. Urban center or whatever they call it, right? But I believe that them need to lick down them mall. No joke. Lick it down completely, flatten the place. And look for all of their avenue or the space that them have and make a dope architect. Yeah man, make a dope architect job a mad plan. Yeah man. And people, when I say mad plan, you know, when I really mean it needs to be mad, you know, but something will look crazy, futuristic. Them need to link one of the money out of Dubai. But if you make Dubai, remember, you know, Dubai move from oil, you know, to tourism, you know. Or if you make a place like that was so hot, then have to have trees. That be to know out. Come on, Jamaica, come on. Can't make Dubai a be without, brother. No joke. You know, so the futuristic plan, Jamaica have the landscape and the marketing power to be way bigger than Dubai in tourism. You see, because that alone, Dubai have a go off right now. You know. If you see the line project where Dubai are trying to create, the line, Google it, my people. It's called the line. So right now, people, yeah, we just got some upsetting news about how we can't film in the mall. What's wrong with these people? What's wrong with you guys? Like, you're here for a reason, bro. Calm down. You're just a security mall boy. You're a fake cop. But right now, people, I want to tell you this. Oh, we can't even show it, eh? Oh my God. I can take pictures though, right? Holy. Sorry, people, we can't video it, but we can just take pictures just to show you. Look, but you've probably seen it already. It's a Cybertruck, all right? But bam, bam. But there's no videos. Them are my people. So this is the Model S, though. It's very nice. I want to know how much is it, though. It's a very nice one. This is the Model S. But yeah, I wanted to show you guys a Cybertruck over there. I'm still going to glimpse so it looks still. But check it all out. The Model S. Check it out. Let's take pictures. Holy. Take a picture. Bam. Holy. This is a beast, man. Check it all out. Okay, my people, so right now I'm just taking you to the side of the TTC side. All right, so this is the side you would have been walking or coming from back in the days when me I take the bus them, right? So check it all out. So the train is over there, train station, and this is where would you be walking. More time I see security and my people just have to take off the camera because they're giving me a hard time just to show the mall, and I don't know why. Thank you, man. So this would be the mall entrance when you're coming from the TTC side of it. Okay, so yeah. So this is how it would look. No joke. So at the end of the day, this is Yorkdale Mall. It's a nice mall. It's a very, very big multicultural type of mall. You understand? So this mall is black, white, Asian, brown, whatever the next people them are, but it's a very, very big mall, and the multicultural, all of the stores them have Indian people store, black people store, white people store, Asian people store. So them have a lot of stores to accommodate any type of person, you understand? Yeah, man. So when we da forward now the mall, yeah, I think they had, this side wasn't open up like this, but let's walk on this side. Let's see what's around here. So you have Roots over here also. Roots. And you have a Starbucks. You have a next nice sitting area. But me da come off and talk with my people. Me da say, yo, I wish Jamaica can do something like this mall. Look how big this mall is, my people. Come on now, I wouldn't lie to you. Ooh, this is a next electrical type of car. Let's see if I could see this one. Alright, my people, so they just gave us clearance to shoot this next electrical car. I think this is a Liquid or Lucy. I'm gonna ask them how to pronounce Lucy or Liquid, one of them. But check this next electrical car out, my boys. I'm telling you, people, I'm giving you content this year, man. But these videos just don't get a lot of views when I post them, so I don't like to make them. It's just look more like the Tesla also. Yeah, but it's nice. I'll touch. The back seat looks nice too. So I think right now they're probably one of Tesla biggest competition. The wheels looks nice. It's got 20-inch rims too. Damn. How do you pronounce the name of it? Lucid. Okay, my people. So it's called Lucid. Okay, my people. So yeah, they're like Tesla competition, or they look like it too. But my next car would probably have to be a Tesla or one of these electrical vehicle, you know, like no joke. But you have to buy a house first before you can do them things because you need place to charge it. But now, you don't really need to buy no house to charge them things here. Because the charging station them all over. You know, so I go walk back to the mall and check it all out too. It's called Lucid. Thank you. So the car is called Lucid, my people. And let's walk again. Security boy them see me again and shoot them. I'll kick me out of the mall. But that is it. They have a Samsung store here also. Let's go check the Samsung store out. They have the nice Z Flow 5 and flip them and every local thing them have, you know. Tablets and everything. So we don't really need to, you know, you guys know Samsung stores already. Let's walk. Canada Goose store also. My boys, the mall is just so big. Like, I'm just gonna walk around this side and then head to the food quarter. See a security boy right there. So I don't really want him to see me shoot, you know. Let me see what I go on. Soon come back. So we're gonna walk around. So back in the days, they never had this part of the mall. Yeah, so we're gonna walk up to a side they just recently added. Not like recently, but like probably a couple of years ago, probably 5 years ago, 6 years ago. So this part, they never really have the part here. But this, like I said, my people, this is a big mall. Probably take you an hour to walk it out. And I don't want my video to be so long, but back on the ticket again, my people. Like, I wish Jamaica have a mall like this, because a lot of youths could get jobs at the store them when them finish school. You understand? This would help a lot. If the mall has something like this in a half a tree, like I tell them, say, lick down Pavilion Mall. Just lick it down, man. We don't need it. Lick it down completely flat. Flatten the Pavilion. Flatten it. Flatten it, people. Flatten the Pavilion Mall. You don't need a mall. Mall is so now, and you need something like this. It's new age, new time. Please, Jamaica. Please, whoever responds to St. Andrew MP, please just listen to me now, man. Build something like this. Probably go run Jamaica one good. For a mall like this to build, probably $1 billion US or $500 million for a big ass mall like this. I don't even think the state, the Party Pavilion there, I don't think it's even big enough to accommodate this size type of mall at the end of the day too. So I don't know. But if you can do a pavilion, be honest with you, make it work now, man. Make it work, man, please. This is back to, oh, this is the movie theater side. Let me show you guys around this side too. You have Moxie. Moxie's right now. It's a bar and grill area. Like, you could get nice chicken wings there and sell nice cakes and stuff like that also. Alright, so this is our next entrance. This entrance, nearly as well. Jaja, God, you know, hey, say, yo, my people, the mall, like me say, back in the days, we just come here to look girl. No joke. Because you get every type of girls here. Every type of girls, and girls, if you try to look at a man and you don't know nobody, you see every type of man here. Broke man, mean man, cheat man, wicked man, good man, baby daddy, step daddy. Anything what you want, you can get over here. That's how big this mall is. So we're gonna walk around to the next side, and then just so I got the food court. I might just end it off right there. We're not gonna try to expand it too much. We don't want to stress and headache from these idiots, mall cops, police boy them. You understand? Don't get it wrong, you know, my people. We used to do security too, you know. You understand? But some people them just enforce stuff for no reason. Like, me there you show off phone mall. And I thought nothing negative bad about it. And you know nobody to videotape them all. Like H&M, I want to place them in my people. Back in the days, I always shop at H&M and even Old Navy too. But I'm not an Old Navy guy too much no more still. But We're gonna walk it out here, my peeps. Let me say, it's a multicultural place and thing and thing. One of the biggest mall in Toronto, my people. Yeah man, no joke. So you have the Nike, them have a Nike store. Yeah. Louis Vuitton right there, right in front of us. So Tiffany's in here, Zara. Like, them have all of these stores them where high class people, so-called, say, yo, them need to go to. And I got them store no more now. I got cheap and clean. I'm going to do a next video on the cheap and clean place what I talk about. No joke. So this is the next side. Let me say my people, you can mute the video and just look if you don't want to hear me talk. At the end of the day, this is just how I do all of my mall tour them. At the end of the day, I'm just trying to make sure you know, how the place is and open up on the eyes, you know what I mean? So anybody can just drop some comments and what mall again you know that I want to see and one that I want to talk about and stuff like that. Just make your boy know. YSL, St. You know, everything is here, my people. Everything is here. Yeah. Everything there, man. No joke. Now I need to go to the food court. The food court is upstairs, right? Yeah. Oh, I can't show myself?
No, you can't show the video.
Myself?
Shoot the video. You can't shoot the video.
Oh, I can't show myself?
Yeah, you can show.
Yeah, it's myself. Look.
Okay,
it's on you. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. That's what I'm asking. I can't show myself. You know what I mean? All right, man. Take care. So it's upstairs, right? The food court? All right, man. Yeah, so you see again, my people, them know why you have to show yourself in a mall. But they can't just talk, you know, because I'm getting out of this mall. That's what I really like coming in mall, yeah. Them too stressful, man. Them laws and rules, oh, you can't show yourself. I kind of look good today, though, my people. So we have to show ourselves, right? So let's go again. We're going to get out this mall anyways right now. So let's just check it all out. Right now, we're going to go upstairs to go grab the food because these people are messaging me down and stuff. So now you have to go upstairs to the food court, my people. And that's where it is. And again, you know, my people, this food court have a lot of different varieties for food and all of them stuff there. So no joke. Again, people, one of my favorite mall is because, like I say, it's multicultural. They have all of the store them. If you have some money to spend, you're in Toronto. This is at Yorkdale Mall, 401. And Dufferin. So right in the main intersection there, you can find this mall. Say up on Christmas weekend, Christmas time, them time there, Black Friday, them time there, you can't come here. It's packed. Say that then. It's packed. You know what I mean? Like, no joke, people. But wanna go upstairs to the food court, we're gonna video that, then we're gonna end it off the video. So that, my people. Let's see how it looks. So now how them set it up nice upstairs to my people. You know? So this is the entrance. You have Caribbean food over this right away. I'll never tell a lie. You know? Jimmy the Greek. I love Jimmy the Greek, but we're not buying that today. I'm gonna buy some Chick-fil-A right now. But let me just give you guys a quick tour first. After food court. And this food court is a big one too, but not that big to accommodate so much people. That's the thing. So let me just show you guys how it look. I'm coming. Yeah. People are calling me down because I drop somebody somewhere that's I'm reach over yassa. But let's go. So we're gonna end off the video right now, my people. I just want to go on a quick tour. Not even a quick tour. I did like 45 minutes walk out in this mall just to show you. And I like this little sun pod area also. Yeah, a nice little vibe. All the food places them are here also, my people. So yeah, man. Like I said, I just wish Jamaica can invest on a mall like this, no matter how much it is, because they will make money from all the retail stores, all the vendors, and then the trafficking that it will be getting and all that stuff. I think it will be a dope investment, you know, but it's gonna cost a lot of money to make a mall like this in Jamaica. But I think we need it for the tourism, because a lot of people will support it. So you check it out. Hey, what's up, man? That was the guy again, you know. But we're checking it out. But yeah, my people. So I think that's the end of the mall tour. Trying to go get some food right now at Chick-fil-A. And yeah, please subscribe, like. Hopefully you enjoy my voiceover or my narrative or talkative or whatever. And you enjoy the mall tour. But right now we're gonna go over, yeah, right here. I think it's closed. Closed on Sunday, so I don't know what to get. Probably go to Jimmy the Greek or something now. But thanks again for everybody who keep on liking, sharing, subscribing to the channel. It's your boy Director J, 416 Boss. People, also, I have some merchandise. If I could show the back of the jacket here, it's called Lifestyle in the 6. Probably in the next videos or even this video. Right or so, me I got tag it. And if you guys want to purchase these type of shirts, it's my own design. I designed this 10 years ago. Can support me. I'm gonna start plug it in all of the video them from now on. So if you don't want them, they'll be like 25 bucks a piece. And that, you just link me. Shipping is on you guys at the end of the day, so you know. But we're gonna make you know how it is. We're gonna make you know. Alright, my people. So everybody again who's been liking, sharing, and subscribing, bless upon yourself. It's your boy Jay, and I'm out.